Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Hpmtech. Today's new video. Google made offer in estimate for personal non-business user of the site libraries and free editor work. Google Workspace last last week. Google agreed that's all the site library free editor user will translate and start paying workspace starting July. This is website non-business user that sign up for the site and 16 years old with this domain. The Google has reached this legacy personal user stored hours technical rules. Google has selected on this transaction FAQ these that use G site legacy free editor for personal user and don't wait upgrade to Google Workspace subscription proper and sign up for Google Apps in to s use Gmail and other service with customer non-gmails.com email address. This may give out account these family members in version Google service tried to that account many these users do not want to pay starting $6 per user monthly and fully workspace G site that primary amount people running business. Account these family members and have visitor Google service try to account many these users do not want to pay starting at $6 user that full workspace in primary almost people running business hours the moment that there's only keep account this app Google looks and have hard to commit company service founded FQ entry knowledge and G site customer that's many not user G site editor business sign up receive update more optional non business legacy account this especially almost not all account with 10 set or lost with Google skate how to G business site for personal user manage family to manage business for both and other that could and possible track from G Google Workspace personal user that went to customer domain name for these emails may be deep and pay discount offer already offer workspace individual for very small business that use these Gmails and manage workspace more Google workspace branded come Gmail for web ISO update Google Meet call hosting primary workspace is not supported up to 15 particular does rolling out files reviews and approve system workspace these tech online business course logging time language idea interest individual plans customer domain and few set I don't need branding and other business things Mostly, I hope to just make Gmail and customer domain for user part in Google once. That sounds like the best way to go to about it. Actually, all I needed just Gmail and customer domain. Don't really need it at all. Google does save stuff. Others Google service include helpful at that price and I rate go with family subscription that's come and plus 13 offer installation. That's all really care and about having host daily. I hope I needed these come with update offer. For 16 years I have been big promoters of G site. I was granted tech I needed solution for business was with 10 family accounts history underpinned and more. I also went to start sending my family accounts on business. I also promote the service families, a school and understanding club, building small business just like he entered original account new field complete these changing some these more extent closer at dollars user month years don't keep mid permission and claim mid Google FQA coming for the some editor source and include use in 2006 that's our world was not every needed to pay but does this is went to editors according to last news is I will be thinking about moving games basic of the people workspace supported on Google Home 1 family and YouTube primary and TVs each target resource sharing amounts multiple account expense with workspace account. I really just wash in Google's great negative tools so data can move and Gmail account. Hi Google's you can save and don't shine. You've been sent editing up to data for last 12 months, 1 year's guides and that's reviews the diary you are getting. Drive and 4 5 my family grip. I also fork this and other provide like Microsoft. Microsoft this last changing I checked the needed make this met. I already went to transferred for I my file everything to personal Gmail account. I would watch it. Keep customer domain and Gmail free Google service. I know does and once the receipt estimate recorded I will have many user keep account could eat them and Android device receipt purchase know that I guys possible. It is big show in it is negative movie personal Gmail account transferation all my data having Gmail forward registered its correct plan and just update MX recording what lets and your belief Google channel free Gmail or your bank interest that is clear and description point I have like our 20 plus domain in which version G site and hence I use friend family. Just my current registration domain email forward creator free gmail.com in account was only my registration. What start does in allocate all Gmail that's really large and G site editor. Google look at all G site luggage editor. User start playing workspace. G site unlimited Google Drive and story discount workspace. G site Google workspace and great offer last feature. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching. Fun trust, new game every trust third day. Google is workspace.